homie Mark's picking me up. Gonna go check out his new company. It's crazy to see how the corporate side of life actually lives. So, welcome to Connect Social.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
Good morning, everyone. Oh man. Early mornings. Well, not too early. I think I woke up at like just before 8. Yeah, just about before 8 o'clock this morning. But I was up till about 2:30 editing the vlog. So, well, that's all good. We gotta get another day started. The homie Mark's picking me up. Gonna go check out his new company, the Social Connect. Yeah, see what that's all about. He's told me about it heaps before, but I don't know, it's just so foreign to me, all that kind of stuff. It just doesn't really make sense. But it would be good to go in and see it firsthand what they're doing, because apparently they're doing really big things, so super proud of them all. It'd be good to see what's going on there. Not too sure what else I got planned for the rest of the day. Find something to do, but keep it moving, keep the vlogs going. So as soon as I walked outside, I definitely knew that a white shirt was going to be a mistake. So I switched up for the grey singlet. And Mark's here, so we'll jump in the car and see what we're going to get up to today. Alright, we're out here in Tenerife. Mikey boy picked me up this morning. What's up? He's going to show us around for the day, give us an insight on what Connect Social is all about, and just the day-to-day life of what all the boys are doing out here in Tenerife.
Just a day at Tenerife, getting yelled at by truckies.
That's it. That's all we do.
But yeah, welcome to Connect Social.
A lot of business and a lot of cloth talk, alright? Let's get the day started.
It's true.
Alright, just sat into a meeting with the Connect Social boys. It's crazy to see how the corporate side of life actually lives, so a little bit different. But I'm going to keep following the boys around today. I think we're going to go to a podcast later on with a couple of their friends. Go back to the office and meet the rest of the team. Joshy?
Hey,
How are you, bro?
I'm good, man. I haven't seen you in a while.
Just returned a company car, and now we're gonna go rent another one. Just clean out all the rubbish in the car, make sure it's all nice and pretty, give it back to Ewins. I was lucky I checked back for rubbish because I forgot I had my skateboard in the car. I've been told to sit in the corner. Oh, what kind of car are we getting next?
Skateboards.
What?
Just skateboards. We'll rent them.
Ah, that's a bad deal. So you probably can see we didn't upgrade, but the sound system on it was sick.
Yeah.
Big ups to Hyundai for that.
Thanks, Hyundai. Thank you, Jake Paul.
Bleep that out. Alright, back to work. So that ends the day at the Connect Social office. Still to this point, I bet you're all wondering what it's all about. So
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Not even our lawyers.
No.
Connect Social, ultimately we're building on the blockchain. You've probably heard of it with Bitcoin and all that stuff, but we're releasing a new social media. It's gonna be like Instagram, but you're actually gonna get paid for all the work and all the content you make. So all the homies like Whetu and all the bloggers and influencers out there that make all these social medias are actually gonna, you know, get paid for it and help build that platform. So that's what we're aiming to make.
So that's basically it. In a nutshell.
In a nutshell. It's
But it'll definitely be something that I'll be pushing, so I'm sure you guys will all have the chance to get in on it once it all surfaces. So keep on with the vlogs, we'll be doing a lot more with them, and then find out how you can make money through social media. Alright, that's gonna end it for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by again. I'll see you in the next one.
See you in Melbourne next.